So this is the project RFID card reader for attendance, and our first step would be to compile ESP32 project files. This is the only objective of this tutorial. This link I'll give in the description. Visit this page and get started with ESP32. There we have given various steps. The first step is there. All these are useful for a new person also and for others also. We explain installing Visual Studio Code. You must go through all these steps. And then we have step 3 where we upload a Hello World project. This is what we'll be testing today. And you should go through all this. This is the platform INI file that we have given for reference. And in your Visual Studio you should come, this is the VS Code, and here you should come and verify that your file and that file match, otherwise copy paste and make them equal. This is the Hello World project that we will be uploading first and testing. I'm not uploading, compiling first and then testing it. So let us click here, and this is the GitHub page managed by the Espressive team. Hello World main.c file, you can see the link in the description. This file will open, and there is just one simple code there just for Hello World purposes, so that we know that our things are actually set up correctly. And copy that code and paste that in the main.c file. We have pasted it here. We have not changed anything here. We just want to ensure that our things compile. We have not connected our device so far. That is very important. We are only testing the compilation part. And this is the main.c file as I've already shown you. And here, this is the file that we shall be compiling as our first important step. Find this build icon, tick mark. We are building only, we have not connected any device. We are building, so do not connect any device. It is not required at this stage. You can do this before buying, so that we are very sure that our things will ultimately work. So let's allow it to compile. It's a time consuming process. We'll wait for it to complete. We'll allow it to complete. This is a very important step because this will tell us that our things will ultimately succeed. So let's wait for the whole completion to take place. It's proceeding, and soon it is going to finish. It's real time that it is taking place, and soon it is going to finish off. Let's wait for it to complete, and it completes to success. So this is our first thing that we have done, and we have succeeded so far. Now we have to do a similar step for C++ also, because our ultimate compilation will be in C++. So rename this file and change it to CPP so that we can test a C++ file also. We will delete this whole code because this is C language code, and we'll trash it off. And now we'll come back to our page, and on this page we have a small blinking and LED project step 4. There we have a main.c file also, and CPP is given next to it. So we'll scroll further, and there we have given a C++ file also. So copy this file completely till the last braces. Copy it and bring it to your VS Code and paste it there. So I pasted it, and now I will try to compile this CPP file. And here also we'll see the build process. Allow it to start, and then we'll allow it to complete. This will be a great test because our ultimate project is in C++. So it's better that we test it before we buy the chip, and things will now proceed to completion. We'll wait for it to take place. Various object files are being created, and let's wait for completion. So we have succeeded here also, and now we shall come to our GitHub project. For this project that we are going to do, I'll give the link in the description. Various files have been given here. All these files you will have to download and copy them into one single folder. Copy them into one single folder anywhere on your computer. You can see that I have copied all the C++ and header files, and these files I have to now bring to my VS Code. I'll copy all of them and drag them to the src folder. Dragging it to the src folder is important because there our files will be there. Click on replace, and this whole tree will be ready made. Everything is okay here. The code is already written by us. You only need to test its compilation, and during your free time you can study the various parts. Maybe sometimes customization is required, or you can write to us for customization also. And circuits will be presented in the next videos, but right now let us compile it, build it, and let's see that it compiles to success. So this is the main thing that we have to take care, and once it compiles, it succeeds. We are ready then to move to the circuits part, and I'm sure if we reach this stage, we reach success also. We have done it with success. So this is what I was saying. This is the target of this tutorial. Complete this, and we'll meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.